Here's some Conundrums of Geometry trivia. Subscribe. What is the shape with three sides? Is it A, rectangle, B, triangle, C, circle, or D, square? The correct answer is B, triangle. Which geometric figure has four equal sides? Is it A, triangle, B, parallelogram, C, square, or D, rectangle? The correct answer is C, square. What is the name of a polygon with 8 sides? Is it A, pentagon, B, octagon, C, hexagon, or D, septagon? The correct answer is B, octagon. Which shape is defined by 6 equal sides? Is it A, triangle, B, octagon, C, hexagon, or D, pentagon? The correct answer is C, hexagon. What is the term for a line that touches a circle at one point? Is it A, chord, B, diameter, C, secant, or D, tangent? The correct answer is D, tangent. Which geometric concept represents a set of points equidistant from a center? Is it A, circle, B, square, C, ellipse, or D, triangle? The correct answer is A, circle. What is the area formula for a rectangle? Is it A, height plus width, B, length width, C, length x width, or D, length plus height? The correct answer is C, length x width. Which term identifies angles that share a common vertex and side? Is it A, complementary, B, covert angles, C, supplementary, or D, adjacent? The correct answer is D, adjacent. What is the name of a line that divides an angle into two equal parts? Is it A, angle divider, B, angle cutter, C, angle bisector, or D, angle segmenter? The correct answer is C, angle bisector. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.